can see, next task is just to change this windscreen now on this motorcycle Aprilia RSV4. We'll go ahead, it's a 316mm hex. We'll open all these pores, and we have Puig windscreen already in stock for this bike. So let me take this off super quick. Puig and Zero Gravity are the screens that we always have in stock, the Double Bubble, R Racing and the Z Racing. Now this particular one is the R Racing Puig windscreen. The customer asked for it, so we'll just go ahead and install this one now. So this is how the screen looks. So I'll just go ahead and mount this in location. And one task we need to do is basically get all these 4 grommets out from this windscreen.